In this video, I will show you how to change the admin email address on WordPress without needing to confirm the new email address. And this is especially helpful if you're working on a localhost environment or unable to receive confirmation emails. And for the purpose of this example, I'll be using this plugin called Change Admin Email. I will leave the link to it in the video description. So first of all, let's log into Shopify admin account. And for now, let me just cancel this pending email. Now let's hover on plugins, click add new plugin, and then in search type the following: Change Admin Email. Now look for this particular plugin, go ahead and install and activate it. Once that's done, once again, go back to Settings, click on General. Now go ahead and change the email address. As an example, I'll use this one, admin@ecommercetv.ca. Now let's save the changes. And as you can notice, the new admin email address was successfully updated without confirmation email. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.